Hi, Helena here with Wolfnest Property Management, coming to you today with another video regarding all things property management. This week's topic is common rental property mistakes and how to avoid them in inspections. You might think that repairs are the hardest part of property management, but in reality it's the tenants. Your property is a rock, stable and reliable, whereas tenants come and go, and you can never be certain if they will treat your property with care and respect. Here are some of the biggest mistakes when it comes to managing an investment property. Not writing a detailed inspection report. Accidents happen, and items often break down if not maintained properly. That's why it is vital to have a detailed inspection report prior to move-in and after a move-out to verify and document all the details of a property's condition before the tenant's occupancy. Without an inspection report, it's the landlord's word against the tenant. Inspecting with expectations. Having a preconceived idea of how the tenant has treated the property is a major rental property inspection mistake. If a landlord goes into an inspection expecting to find nothing, they're likely to become much more lenient in their observation. This lax attitude could lead to missing small issues, and a bunch of small missed issues can lead to a big issue. Any sort of tenant can leave behind damages, from the ones you have to evict to all-star tenants and everyone in between. Not screening tenants. We all know you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, and nothing could be more true than when selecting tenants. They may check all the boxes on the surface. Great job, strong references, charming smile. But have you checked their credit score, their tax statements and 1099s? What about their previous employment history? Taking the time to be thorough and ensure your tenants are properly qualified to make monthly rental payments can save you thousands and endless heartache. Avoiding these common property inspection mistakes will make the move-in and move-out process easier for both the landlord and tenant. By having a detailed inspection report, inspecting without expectations, and screening tenants thoroughly, you can ensure that the moving process is a positive one. If you're a real estate investor and want to make your property management a process a breeze, working with an agency is one of the best things you can do. Contact us at Wolfnest today to learn more and to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back soon with more tips and tricks.